Hello Primary 4. Let's complete Unit 6, Lesson 2. Our lesson today is about grammar. Our grammar today is about comparatives and superlatives. Comparatives and superlatives. At first, in comparatives and superlatives, we work with adjectives. We have short adjectives and long adjectives. Short adjectives and long adjectives. Short adjectives like tall, short, long, old, big. These are short adjectives. And in short adjectives with comparatives, we use adjectives plus er plus than. Ahmed is taller than Ali. And in superlatives with the short adjectives, we use the plus adjective plus est. Ahmed is the tallest boy in the class. But comparatives and superlatives with long adjectives, we use in comparatives more, the long adjective, than. More, the long adjective, than. Like, my bed is more comfortable than this one. My bed is more comfortable than this one. And we can use less, the long adjective, than. It's less expensive than a new bed. Again, in comparatives with long adjectives, we use more plus long adjective plus than, or less plus long adjective plus than. My bed is more comfortable than this one. It's less expensive than a new bed. In comparatives. But what about superlatives? In superlatives, with long adjective, we use the most or the least. The most or the least. The most plus the long adjective or the least plus the long adjectives. This is the most expensive bed in the shop. This is the least expensive one. Again, in comparatives and superlatives with long adjective, we use in comparatives more, long adjective, than, or less, the long adjective, than. In superlatives, we use the most or the least, the most plus the long adjective or the least plus the long adjective. Let's see. Right, number 1. The metal bed is less comfortable than the wooden one. 2. The wooden bed is expensive, the spaceship bed. So, the wooden bed is more or less, yes, the wooden bed is less expensive than the spaceship bed. Again, the wooden bed is less expensive than the spaceship bed. Number 3. The spaceship bed is modern, the wooden one. The spaceship bed is less or more modern than. The spaceship bed is more modern than the wooden one. The spaceship bed is more modern than the wooden one. 4. The wooden bed is comfortable than the metal bed. The wooden bed, more or less, the wooden bed is more comfortable than the metal one. The wooden bed is more comfortable than the metal one. And that's all. See you later. Goodbye.